There is nothing that you will come across on the board now that there isn't somebody in the Veblen network that can help you with it. And it's unlike, if you come from an employee background, you might be used to competing with someone for a promotion. In the Veblen Director program, it doesn't work like that. What happens is the Veblen directors, they've all talked about this accountability group. The goal of the accountability group is to get you a well-paid board seat. Everyone wants you to get the best possible board seat, because the higher up you go, the more valuable you are to them as a connection. And so everyone in the group is always trying to help each other. They're always putting it, hey, look, I just ran into this company. They're looking for a board member with your experience. I'd love to recommend them to you if that's all right. Everyone's doing that all the time because it's aligned self-interest. They want you to be as successful as possible. And that just creates a very, very nice, positive atmosphere to be in.